Hello everyone. In this video we will see what is mean by data representation. Next we will see what is mean by bar graph. So next brief introduction to a bar graph. Then we will see using MS Excel how to plot a bar graph for a given data. So first, data representation. So data representation is the method of representing the information in terms of pictures, in terms of symbols, in terms of graphs, or in terms of what numbers. So whatever the information, if you represent in terms of pictures or in terms of symbol or in terms of graphs or numbers, so that is what we call it as what here data representation. So the information whatever we collect, so that is what we call it as what data. We can read certain conclusions on the studying of what here data. So next, there are different methods of data representation is there. Okay, there are different methods of data representation is there. In that, one of them is what here bar graph. So you can see bar graph means a bar graph is the chart that plots data using rectangular bars or columns that represents the total amount of observations in the data for that category. So this is what we call it as what here bar graph. Next, bar graph may be horizontal or it may be what here vertical. So here one example I have taken. In that example, the first row indicates the name of the girls and the second row indicates the number of flowers collected these many girls. Correct. So this I wanted to show in bar graph. Correct. So see, every bar graph has one title, then labels, scale, etc. Okay, so this title, okay, here you can see the title is there. So this title which tells us what the bar graph is about. Okay, this title tells us what the bar graph is about. So in this example, the number of flowers we are collected, correct, number of flowers collected, so that is the title of this bar graph. So next, labels. Okay, this is the labels. Okay, below here you can see labels. Labels tells us what kind of data is shown. Okay, so here you can see some names are here: Ananya, Neha, Tanisha, and here you can see number of flowers. Correct. So these two represents here what labels. Then next, here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to 9. So this is what we call it as what here scale. So this scale tells us the number in each block is equals to. Okay, so this tells us the number in each block is equals to. So this bar graph, okay, here one bar graph is there. So this bar graph is about number of flowers collected. So here this is about what number of flowers collected, and the labels gives us the information that data is about who collected the flowers and how many collected the flowers. Correct. So hence from this bar graph easily we can say Ananya collected 5 flowers, Neha collected 8 flowers, and Tanisha collected how many flowers here? 3 flowers. So easily by seeing this bar graph you can tell Ananya collected 5, Neha collected 8, and Tanisha collected 3 flowers. Therefore, remember, bar graph means a bar graph is the chart that plots data using rectangular bars or columns that represent the total amount of observation in the data for that category. Next, we will see the experiment number 7. Plot a bar graph for the data collected from 100 people. Example, favorite fruit of a person. So for that, here some column I am going to add. So in that first one, serial number. Okay, so next, person name, person name. Next, favorite fruit, favorite fruit. Okay, so next, see serial number, you need to add 100 people data here, so 100, 1, next 2, then you select, then click on this plus mark, then drag till 100. So here 100 comes, 100. So next what you need to do is add person name, person 1, 2, 3, so on up to 100, add favorite fruit. Okay, so here I am going to take 5 fruit name, so randomly I am going to add here. So already I added that, only I will copy and paste. So here already I added the person name as well as what, fruit name. So just I'm going to copy and paste. Fine. So next, so after this here, first I will type name of fruit, name of fruit. Okay, next I want to find out the frequency, correct? So number of people, correct? Number of people is nothing but what, the frequency. So in that name of fruit, first one is pineapple, pineapple. Second comes what here, mango is there, mango. Next orange, next grape. So next banana I will type, banana, and last one is what, grape. 5 fruits are there. So next what you need to do is you need to find out the frequency. That means how many people likes pineapple, how many people likes mango, like that, how many people likes orange, banana and grape, that you need to calculate. So for that what you need to do is, so in that number of people below on that cell you click. So in that you need to type equal, then you need to type count if, count if. Here you can see count if will come, so double click on it. Once you double click on that count if, it will ask you the range. So this favorite fruit, that range I want. So in that first one I'm going to click on this pineapple, then press Ctrl Shift down arrow. If I press Ctrl Shift down arrow, all 100 person fruit it will select. Okay, next what you need to do is, next put comma, then put double inverted comma, then first fruit name is what, pineapple. So right here pineapple, pineapple, then double inverted comma you complete, then bracket also you need to complete. Once you complete this, then click on the enter. Once you click on, it will show you 17% likes what here, pineapple. So like that. Next you need to do for mango, you need to do for orange, you need to do for banana, you need to do for what here, grape. So same process, click on that cell, is equals to count if, double click, then select the range, press Ctrl Shift down arrow. Okay, so next comma, next double inverted comma, so next one is what, mango, type here mango, then complete the double inverted comma and complete the bracket, then click on enter. So it will show you 21 people likes mango. So next orange, say click on that cell, is equals to count if, double click on it. So next select the range, so click on first pineapple, then press Ctrl Shift down arrow, it will select the range. So next put comma, then put double inverted. So next fruit name is orange. Orange. So next complete double inverted comma and bracket, so click on enter. So it will show you 90. So similarly bananas is equals to count if, double click, so then select the range, so then comma, next double inverted comma, next one is banana. So next complete the bracket, click enter. So last one is what, grape is equals to count if, next select the range, then comma, double inverted comma, then the third one is what, grape. So complete the bracket, so enter. So now you can see here in this list 17 people like pineapple, 21 people like what, mango, 19 people likes what here, orange, 23 people likes what, banana, and 20 people likes what here, grape. So next select this, then if I click on in that home tab, this auto sum, so it will show you the 100 people total, correct? Yes. So next, so we got the list, the frequency. So next we need to trace what here, bar graph. So for that what you need to do is first select this both the column, name of the fruit and number of people, then in insert tab click on that insert tab. Here you can see a recommended chart option is there, as well as beside here directly you will get the bar chart. So if you click on this recommended chart, so here it will show you the bar graph. So this is the bar graph. Otherwise what you need to do is after selecting this, go to insert tab, so directly it will show you here insert column or bar chart, correct? So you need to click on it. Once you click on here, it will ask you 2D column you required or 3D column you require, correct? So in that I am going to click on this 2D column. So once I click, see here you can see the bar chart, correct? So next what I'm going to do, I'm going to edit this bar chart. So here in that tab option, here you can see the design tab. So if you click on that design tab, here so many options comes. Here so many options comes. You can change the color of the bar chart. So see here you can change different colors of that bar chart. You can change the background of that bar chart also, correct? So next what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to change the color of this column. So for that what you need to do is click on that first bar column. So next here in home tab you can see the color option, correct? So here I'm going to take one red color. So next second one I'm going to click. So again in that home tab choose some different option. So like this you can select different colors for this bar graph, correct? So next, so here first what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the title here, correct? Here at the top you can see number of people is there, so I'm going to edit that title. So here what we are doing, survey on fruits, survey on fruits. So this is the title. So next, here you can see the axis. Here this is the x-axis and this is pineapple, mango, orange, banana, grape name is there. So this is the x-axis. Similarly, the range is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So this is the y-axis. You can give the name for x-axis as well as what here y-axis. For that, again what you need to do is, in that design tab you need to click. Here you can see add chart element option. So in that you need to click. Once you click add chart element option, here second option you can see axis title is there, correct? So in that axis title, first one is horizontal. For horizontally you can add the name. Next you can add vertical also. First I am going to add horizontal name. So for that I am going to click on this primary horizontal. Once I click on this primary horizontal, here you can see axis title is there. So I am going to give the name for this axis title. So this is the name of fruits, name of fruits. Okay, so next same again in that design tab, click on this add chart element. So in that axis title I am going to give the vertical name, correct? So click on this vertical. So here you can see axis title vertical bar is added. So name that vertical. So here I am going to type number of people, number of people. Okay, so next you can change by clicking on this axis. You can change the font style, font size also, and font color also you can change. For that what you need to do is, once you select this horizontal axis title in home page, easily you can change the font text, you can change font size, you can change the color also, correct? You can change the background color. If you want you can change the background color, otherwise you can change the font size. So here just I am going to change the font size, then I will take the different color, black one I will select. Similarly for vertical, so first you need to select, go to home tab. So in that again change the font size. Okay, number of people. Yes, so like this also you can change the title also, title font size also you can change, font color also you can change. So next, so after this again in that design tab, in that add chart element option, you can see here data labels. So data label, in that you can see center. So once you click on this center, you can see in that bar chart, in that pineapple, in between that pineapple it is showing 17 pineapple. So in between mango it is showing how much, 21, next 19, 23 and 20. You can take it on center also. Next inside end, so you can see inside end, at the top end it is going. Next inside base means bottom it is coming. Similarly outside end means at the top it is coming here, as well as what, a data callout. So data callout you can see, if you click on this data callout, it will show you 17 pineapples are there, here 21 mangoes, so here 19 orange, 23 banana and 20 grape. Okay, Like this you can change the data labels. Next, in that chart element you can see some different options are there: data table, error bars, grid lines, legend. Okay, so legend means, so if you click on this legend, in that right you can see here red color one is pineapple, here it is showing, correct. If I click on this right, so here in that bar chart you can see pineapple, this is the red color one. So next mango, next blue color is what, orange, green color is what, banana, like that it is showing the different colors. So that is the use of this what, legend. So like this you can edit your bar chart. Okay, so this is your the seventh experiment. So using this seventh experiment, easily you can plot the bar graph for the given data. Thank you.